buffalo chicken. When I dip, you dip, you dip, 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 dip.
Welcome to another episode of DrunkApron. Thanks for clicking that thumbnail. Today we have a cross-dressing buffalo, a big booty chicken, and some dip. Teach you. Let's take these green onions we have here. We're gonna use these for garnish. Hey! Woo! Who was scared?
Okay.
Let's see if we can go faster than that. Ha! Take this cream cheese into the bowl.
Nice.
What's next? Let's actually mash this up
I was gonna
because.
tell you, do you want to like cut it up?
Oh, were you going to, Chris? Sorry, is this Chris's straw or I don't know. Just kidding. He's my inspiration behind all this. We've got some Colby Jack in here. About 6 ounces of that. We've got some Habanero cheese because we like things spicy on this channel. About 6 ounces of that.
That's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good regardless.
Irregardless.
Regardless. Let's try to get this incorporated. Let's get some ranch dressing. Franks, what do we put this on? Put that on everything. So, what are your guys' favorite kind of dips? So far we've done, if you follow my channel, which you should, we've done spin dip, spinach dip. This is now the buffalo dip. And then, what else? That's the only dips we've done so far. Shredded chicken, we already cooked it ahead of time. We're trying to do some challenges too, so if you guys have any constructive challenges, please. No weird stuff that you little trolls would post. I'm gonna take this, and this is gonna go into a pan. Sorry, are you saying Pam or pan? Panned. Panned. What's that? What's that reference? I wasn't asking you.
Wow.
Oh my god!
Leave in the comments what Don said.
This is what I have to work with. There we go. Man, camera guy. And this is what you want. Just put that, spread it all out. For good measure, give it a little. And this is gonna go into the oven, preheated 350 degrees for 20 minutes, maybe a little more. That's what you're looking for right there. Bubbly delish. Take your bubbly hot goo dip, mix that around. This is really good for somebody watching their diet. There's no calories in this, surprisingly. No fat, no nothing. This is vegan as well. There's no dairy.
Summer's here.
Yeah, summer's here.
There's nothing to look forward to now.
Yeah, imagine when wintertime comes, the dishes we're gonna be making. Because if this is a summertime dish, and you're trying to get that body right, wait, we got you for winter.
I'm gonna get ready for hibernation. Winter's coming.
Hairy legs and that looks about right. We're gonna take some scallions. Oh yeah, look at you, pretty. And take your little favorite chips. Just put a couple of those in there. We made some dip for you and friends. So take those chips and dip and dip. Potato dip, dip, dip. Subscribe and like, and share your friends, and go crazy. Thanks for watching. Drunk Apron.
Out.